Hello everyone, the purpose of our video today is to show you how to log into my.cherry Creek Schools and then get into our Schoology page. So first of all, you're going to go up here to my.cherrycreekschools.org. Should bring you to this page here, and then your username is going to be the first letter of your first name and then your last name and then a number if you have it, and then you're going to enter your password. And you're going to go ahead and click login. My page is going to look just a little bit different than yours because I have more tiles, but you're just going to find this one that says Schoology, and you're going to go ahead and click on that. This is going to bring you to the Schoology page, which here, then you're going to go at this top bar and click on Courses. And you're going to find our homeroom. So it says Homeroom, 3rd grade, Section 3, T. Inhelder. And you'll click on that. I'm going to be posting stuff every day here to Schoology. So come back every day, or once you finish, then you'll find stuff for the next day. So we're going to click on this week, and we're going to find March 23rd. Now this is a page that includes everything that you'll need to do. So for reading, I have click on the RazKids. So this will take you to RazKids directly. You'll read 2 books, and then you'll fill out the form below. So your name, what was the name of the first book you read, and then what was the problem and what was the solution of that book, and please do write in complete sentences. Once you're all done with that, then you're going to scroll down again. You're going to watch somebody read The Day the Crayons Quit, one of my favorite books. And then again, we have a few questions for you to answer. You're going to compare the red and the blue crayon. What are 2 ways that they feel the same? And then you're going to contrast the white and the black crayon. So what are 2 ways that those 2 crayons feel differently about Duncan? And then which crayon was your favorite and why? So again, complete sentences, please. And then we are also going to start using Khan Academy to do some math. So I like Khan Academy because you can watch some videos and then answer some questions and kind of move at your own pace. I'm going to start another video to show you how to get into Khan Academy. If you do have any questions, please send me a message on ClassDojo or email me at tinhelder2@cherrycreekschools.org.